Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to block a number on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, you can either block a number on the phone app through their phone number or through a text message as well. I'll show you both options. The first option is just open up that phone app here. And let's say somebody called you and you wanted to block their number. Let's say this one. All I need to do to block it is I'm going to tap on the phone number and then tap on that gray lines right to the right of it. And there you can see is block. I can just tap on block and I can hit block. Now, if you want to find that blocked phone number list and add somebody to it, you can tap on those three dots at the very top right. And then we're going to choose settings on this list. Now, midway down is blocked numbers. You'll be able to see all of the numbers that you have blocked. On here, you can just tap on add a phone number and manually add a phone number or a contact or a recent to that block list. However, this is different from how you do it in your Messages app. So let's walk through it in the Messages app. You can see in the Messages app, I got this random text message from just a spam person and I wanted to block it. The easiest way to block it is I'm going to select that message by pressing and holding on it. And now that it is selected with the little check mark, I can easily just block that contact or phone number by tapping on those three dots at the top right and then just choosing on block. Now, I can also choose to report this as spam if I wanted to, and in this case, I'll choose to, yes, report it as spam, and just like that, it has been blocked. If I wanted to find that block list, I can tap on the profile button and then just go to spam and blocked, and it will show me all of these spam text messages as well as the blocked text messages on my Android phone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.